Valves are the structures. Valves are the muscular tissue that controls the openings present between the auricle and ventricle, auricle and left side and right side also. And the three kinds of valves are tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, and semilunar valves. So tricuspid valve means this opening is controlled by three valves, muscular tissues, which controls the opening of the right auricle and right ventricle. So that means it allows the blood from auricle to ventricle. Again, it prevents, the main function of the valves are here nothing but it prevents the backflow of the blood. When the blood enter into the ventricles, again it doesn't flow again back into the auricles. So that is immediately closed by the valves. So you can say the main function of the valves are nothing but the prevent the backflow of the blood. Again here from left auricle to left ventricle, a bicuspid valve is present, which is also known as a mitral valve. Bicuspid valve or mitral valve. And it allows the blood from left auricle to left ventricle, and again prevents the backflow of the blood from left ventricle to the left auricle. So that is how. Then again it enters into the semilunar valves. Two semilunar valves are present. Semilunar valves are, you can say, pulmonary valves and systemic valves. Pulmonary valves are present from right ventricle, means right ventricle and pulmonary artery. In the same way, systemic valve is present between the left ventricle and systemic aorta. So as the systemic aorta open into the left ventricle, it allows the blood, it prevents the blood backflow of the blood into the left ventricle. Again the pulmonary valve prevents the backflow of the blood into the right ventricle. You got it, I think. So the main function of the valves is prevent the backflow of the blood. Once the blood enter into the arteries to veins, it prevents the valves. It immediately closes so that the blood cannot be again enter into the arteries. So in such a way, the blood flow, backflow of the blood is controlled by the valves which are present in the tricuspid, bicuspid and semilunar valves, and these valves are also present in all the veins. I said already, in blood vessels, three types of blood vessels are there here, and all the veins contain the in their valves, WALLS. Their valves are made up of valves which prevent the backflow here. So the impure blood cannot be mixed with the pure blood. Okay, the pure blood cannot be again come back into the pure blood, impure blood. Flow of the blood. So where the inferior and the body parts, the blood is collected by the inferior vena cave and superior parts to the superior vena cave into the right auricle. And this, when it enter into the right auricle, it passes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. And when the right ventricle contracts, the blood enter into the pulmonary artery to the lungs, and it is purified in the lungs, and again it is collected by the pulmonary veins. Sorry, I didn't draw here the pulmonary veins. So it is collected by the pair of pulmonary veins, and they are open into the left auricle. So the pure blood is collected by the left auricle, from there to the left ventricle, means through the bicuspid valve, and from the left ventricle to systemic aorta through the semilunar valves.